it's Jennifer, your favorite pediatric occupational therapist. Welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we will be creating a new activity to support the teletherapy that is happening. For those of you that do know me, I welcome you back. And for those of you that don't know me, I'm an occupational therapist with more than 35 years experience in pediatrics. Back in the day when I went to school, there was no such thing as technology, so the thought of doing teletherapy is exciting and new, and there are many facets of it that are going to be different, but I think I'm really going to enjoy. It's hard to believe that I'm doing therapy without my hands on a kid, but I like the idea that the family is more involved and they understand why we're doing what we're doing. And to be quite honest, they are the experts with their own children, so the fact that they are on board and doing therapy when we're not there is a great asset as far as I'm concerned. So I hope that you use these videos with your family to enhance your teletherapy, and I don't want to reinvent the wheel, so let's be telesmart. Today's activity is paper chains. Super easy, lots of ideas of why we want to do it, but here are the materials that we need. Any colored paper that you have available, and if you only have white paper, that's fine too. Depending on the age of your child or developmental level or motoric level, I'm going to be either using tape or a stapler, and then scissors. My preference is Fiskars only because I can use them for righties and lefties. They work the same by just flipping them over. And I like that they're reliable and they cut well, because there's nothing more frustrating than trying to cut something and it doesn't cut. So depending on the age of your child and how much help they need, if we need to draw lines, or if they can just free cut, or if we need to do hand over hand, or it's possible that they could even tear the paper. We're going to cut strips, and it doesn't matter the size, and it doesn't matter if they're evenly cut. They just need to be strips. If you have a variety of kids in your house, maybe each kid could have their own color, just so that you can differentiate between kids, whose is whose. So I'm making as many strips as you need. You can use these for decoration. You can use these to help kids determine how many TV shows they get to watch in a day, or how many days it is before they see their next beloved therapist. So if they were going to receive therapy in 5 days from now, we would make 5 chains, and they would be able to take one off each day, count backwards, and it helps them with the anxiety, with anticipating what's coming next. Just a couple of ideas. So we take our strip of paper, we fold it so it makes a circle. Again, we're using lots of fine motor skills here. Bilateral coordination, pincer grasp, the tripod grasp with the scissors. So we're going to hook them together and tape so that they stay. The next strip goes in between, so they're using those spatial concepts as well. We're going to fold it again and tape. Make as many as you want and enjoy this activity. Hope you have fun, make it your own, stay safe, wash your hands, have fun.